Hey traders and investors, Serge Berger here. Let's have a look at McDonald's. I think McDonald's is setting up for a nice trade here to the short side. The company is scheduled to report earnings on Friday, April the 22nd, and even if there's another bit of a rally after earnings, I think the stock here is setting up quite nicely for a mean reversion move to the downside. First of all, let's give it a little bit of perspective here on the multi-year longer term chart, if you will. I have a weekly time frame here, so the each one of these bars is a weekly a 1 week of trading, and you can see that basically in 2015 in September October this stock broke meaningfully higher out of a base that it had been in basically since late 2011 early 2012. So from that perspective, the stock remains in a very good continuation rally breakout mode that I certainly don't want to fight for the medium term lens. The issue, as always, with these kind of things is that the rate of change is basically overextended itself. So if we look at something very simple like the MACD, which is an oscillator that tells us how far the stock is actually removed from its medium term, or depending on which MACD you look at, near, medium, or longer term moving average. And you can see this MACD is extremely overbought, basically the highest it's ever been. So that's certainly significant. Let's look at this on a bit of a closer up chart, daily chart. And again, you have the 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving average. You can see this stock is very much extended, certainly above the 200-day moving average, mostly due to that most recent rally. Now, we did see the stock mean revert a little bit in early part of February, that pushed it back even to its 100-day moving average. But now this latest rally has been too steady, I should say. And so from that perspective, I think the stock is due for at the very least, a pause. So there's two things one can do. Again, the stock or the company is scheduled for earnings on Friday, the 22nd of April. If we get some sort of a rally after earnings, I think that would make it an even better spot to sell or short or maybe buy some puts into that rally. Alternatively, any bearish reversal here as well would, after earnings, would, in my opinion, give it a set up a really nice trade to get the stock at least back towards these medium-term moving averages. I would suspect the stock has to get back towards the 110 to the 115 to 120 area, is sort of what I'm targeting here. So that's what's setting up in McDonald's, guys. I hope this makes sense. Please like the video. That's how I move up in the YouTube ranks. And as always, I will see you in the next video.